Oh, you tizzle. Crazy hair, don't care. Still having leaking issues with this fucking vent in my kitchen. Like, it's leaking from there now. Look at behind there. It's going in that hole. It's going down. Second towel that's been soaked. It's coming straight from there. Oh man, I don't know what to do. All I could say is the people that did the roof, great a good restoration, and let's see. Yeah, let's just put them out there. I don't want to talk to anyone else. You keep fucking the roof up. Keep doing it wrong. And now we keep having issues. There's so much dripping around the house, so much popping and cracking. We have parts of the house that... I'll show you. Hang on. Since they did the roof, we have shit like this now. On that side too. We got stuff like that. And then we got stuff like that. Almost goes all the way to the damn ceiling. DP. That too. Various other spots as well. What is a man to do when you get a nice house and then someone wants to just come over, take advantage of you, have, I don't know, 12 Hispanic people work on the roof, get it done a day, finish it under cell phone lighting on the roof, put like 50 bundles of shingles on top of the roof, across the roof, so that's why we have a lot of popping and cracking. And this was an expensive house, but now it's just becoming shit because people suck at doing their job. So if you have any advice, drop a comment down below, because I'm running out of ideas.